A little known fact about the onion is that their juice can help hair from thinning and from fall. Onions have sulfur in high amounts in it. Because sulfur helps together with your blood circulation, it also can help your hair grow and repair. One of the most things needed for growing hair is sulfur, which is contained in some ways amino acids that build protein. As you recognize, protein is extremely important in hair growth. Keratin is additionally a protein that features a high number of amino acids sulfur. Scientists have proven that onions help hair loss and other hair problems, such as dandruff, infection and premature graying. In this video, we'll offer you a recipe using onion juice and honey, to treat not only hair losses, but will make your hair smooth and sparkling. Honey features a lot of cleaning and moisturizing properties. The things you need: 1 onion, honey, blender, filter. A bowl, your choice essential oil, optional. Step: peel, cut and blend onions. Enter mixed porridge into the filter. Employing a spoon, press pulp to extract juice. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey to onion juice. Optionally, add a couple of drops of essential oils, like lavender oil. How to use: massage patch your bald or all of your scalp with this mixture. Cover your hair with a cap and leave it overnight, or a minimum of 4.5 hours. Rinse your hair subsequent morning. Repeat a day for several months, or until you're fully satisfied with the results. Tips: rather than combining onions, you'll explain it, then extract the juice. To squeeze, you'll use cheesecloth rather than filter. You also can use juicer. To stop your eyes from tearing or crying while cutting onions, place onions on freezer for about 1/4 hour then cut it. If you would like to feature fragrant essential oils, use rosemary, lavender, peppermint, or other similar oils that promote hair growth. You'll also add lemon juice or rose water to hide the smell of strong onion. If you wish videos, provides a thumbs up and share together with your friends. If you would like more recipes and tips, subscribe the channel.